The DJI Neo is a cutting-edge drone that has recently entered the market, boasting an impressive array of features that cater to both novice and seasoned pilots. This in-depth examination will delve into the Neo's camera capabilities, flight performance, features, and price, providing a thorough understanding of its offerings. By exploring the Neo's camera specifications, we'll uncover its ability to capture high-quality visuals. A closer look at its flight performance will reveal its agility, speed, and endurance. Additionally, we'll investigate the various features that make the Neo an attractive option, including its user-friendly interface and advanced functionalities. Finally, we'll discuss the drone's price point, making it an accessible option for a wide range of enthusiasts. Through this comprehensive analysis, we'll gain a deeper understanding of the DJI Neo's capabilities, making it easier to determine if it's the ideal drone for your needs. Camera capabilities. The DJI Neo's camera system is a powerhouse of image capture, featuring a 1/2 3-inch image sensor expertly paired with an 11 to 17.6 mm/2.8 lens. This dynamic duo enables the Neo to excel in capturing breathtaking wide-angle shots and videos, making it perfect for sweeping landscapes, expansive cityscapes, dynamic action sequences. With a maximum resolution of 4K at 30 fps, the Neo delivers crystal-clear footage that's sure to impress. This high-resolution capability ensures whether you're a seasoned cinematographer or a budding aerial photographer, the DJI Neo's camera system is designed to unleash your creative potential and capture life's precious moments with stunning clarity. Flight performance. The DJI Neo's flight capabilities are a testament to its exceptional design, offering an unparalleled flying experience. With a maximum flight time of 18 minutes, you'll have ample opportunity to capture extensive aerial footage, explore vast areas, enjoy extended flying sessions. The Neo's maximum speed of 16 meters per second ensures swift and agile flight, smooth and responsive controls, effortless navigation. Reaching new heights is also possible, with a maximum altitude of 120 meters, allowing you to capture breathtaking views, survey vast landscapes, explore previously inaccessible areas. Whether you're flying for recreation or professional purposes, the DJI Neo's impressive flight performance ensures a seamless and enjoyable experience, making it an ideal choice for any aerial enthusiast. Features. The DJI Neo comes with a range of features that make it easy to use and fun to fly. These include AI subject tracking, keep your subject in frame with ease, quick shots, capture stunning footage with just a few taps, multiple control options, fly the way you want. Price. The best part? The DJI Neo is expected to retail for around $329, making it an unbeatable value for the price. Conclusion. The DJI Neo is a revolutionary drone that redefines the boundaries of aerial photography and recreational flying, offering an unbeatable combination of user-friendly design, impressive camera capabilities, and innovative features. This drone is an ideal choice for both novice and seasoned pilots. The Neo's intuitive interface makes it effortless for beginners to take to the skies, while its robust features and good camera quality will appeal to experienced pilots seeking a reliable and versatile drone. Whether your goal is to capture breathtaking aerial footage or simply enjoy the thrill of flight, the Neo is an excellent option. Key benefits of the DJI Neo include easy-to-use interface for seamless navigation, good camera quality for stunning aerial photography, range of features for enhanced creativity and control, perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Exceptional value for the price. If you're seeking a drone that balances functionality, quality, and affordability, the DJI Neo is worth considering. Its impressive capabilities and user-centric design make it an excellent addition to any drone enthusiast's collection.